Hello friends, welcome to your channel Learning More with Prerna friends. I am Prerna and please do like, share and subscribe to your channel Learning More with Prerna friends. So friends, today's topic is about Primary Healthcare Center, that is PHC. So under this we are going to study about the functions of PHC. So friends, what is PHC? PHC is one of the important part of the society where it provides the basic medical facilities to the people, and it is a service provider to the people. Here friends, the individuals go for the promotion of their health and prevention of the diseases. So primary healthcare center is playing very important role in the Indian society. So let us see what are the functions of primary healthcare center. When we come to the functions of primary healthcare center, it is provision of medical care. So primary healthcare center is providing medical care to the people. In the pandemic of COVID-19, we can see that the primary healthcare center, that is the PHCs, are providing medicines to the COVID positive patients. In Karnataka, we can see that the primary healthcare centers are providing medicines to the COVID-19 positive patients. Like this, the PHC is helping out people and taking the medical care of the people. Next points, friend, maternal child health. You can remember that when you were small, your parents were taken going you to PHC. That is primary healthcare center for your vaccination. And when the child is small, parents carry their child to PHC and visit PHC for vaccination and all. So it is providing vaccinations since long back, not only in this period of COVID-19, but before this also the PHCs were playing a major role. And next, basic sanitation. So the PHCs are taking so many surveys where they visit the house of the people and see whether the people are day-to-day activity is going properly or not, and they will just teach the people that this is harmful and this is not harmful. They will give the training to the people, they will teach the people, they will educate the people. And next point is prevention and control of disease. So in this COVID time only, you can see that the PHCs are playing a major role. They are preventing the disease. They are preventing it, and they are trying to control the disease. Whatever disease come, PHC plays an important role to prevent and control the diseases. Next, educating about health. We can see that the PHC people visit the house of the people and they educate them about the health. So it is playing a major role in educating people. And NHP, that is National Health Policy. Whenever government is implementing a new health policy, the PHC people make sure that whatever the objective are there, that should be reality. That means to say what are the objectives of any national health policy, that should be come real, that should be true, that should come true. So the PHC is playing once again major role in giving awareness to the people. And next point is basic laboratory work. Even in PHC, you can see that the PHC people are doing basic laboratory work. Like when a child is taken to PHC, they are doing the laboratory work like weighting and pediting, etc. So these type of laboratory work are done in PHC. And next is providing proper family planning. So in PHC we can find ASHA workers and others who give a proper information about family planning, like when to plan and what are the spacing there should be between the first child and the next child. So all these are the functions, major functions of PHC, which is helping out people and it's providing awareness to the people. So PHC is playing very important role. So friends, by looking at all the functions of the PHC, we know that PHC is playing important role. And here I conclude my video. Thank you. If you like my video, please support me by subscribing and even share the video to your friends and support me and encourage me to make more and more videos. Thank you friends.